ICT June 21, paper 21 presentation. Let us do the presentation. That is task 5. You are going to create a short presentation. Presentation stands for PowerPoint, but Cambridge does not like commercial names. Okay, so I think probably you have created presentations before. Probably you have used PowerPoint before. So, okay, so let us now practice how the exam question goes. And maybe in this particular exercise, we will have to create a graph. We will have to create a chart. Properly, the chart is created using Excel spreadsheet. Okay, no problem. We will create the chart and then copy and paste into PowerPoint. And then there is one thing new here, maybe called the master slides, and how to print in the required way, and we are done, inshallah. Okay, all slides must have consistent layout and formatting, unless otherwise instructed. Slides, the presentation consists of slides. Unless otherwise instructed, slides must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Okay, okay. Create a presentation. When the exam says create a presentation, I would recommend you do this. I would recommend you do this. Go to your work area, that folder with all the files and everything. Go to the work area. Anywhere, right-click, new Microsoft PowerPoint. Right-click, new Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on it. Name it your name. Okay. Press on enter another time. It is open in PowerPoint with no slides and nothing, just a totally empty presentation. Okay, so whenever the exam says create a presentation, just right click new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now I would like to get 8 slides using the file J2121 TRR. Let me teach you now how to import the file with the text. Cambridge does not waste your time typing. You import a file with the text and you spend your exam time doing the formatting and more intelligent things. Let me tell you how to import the file. It is very simple. Just know the button. I would like to import the file J2121. It is very simple. This button is called new slide. Don't use it. Use the lower half of it. This is new slide, and please use that slides from outline, and that's it. And then locate the file. Okay? Don't forget it. It's very simple. New slides, the lower half of the button, new slides, and slides from outline. And then browse to the desktop, and the exam is 21 June, paper 21, and the file is called J2121TRI.RTF. Okay, insert. Let us see. Now I have 8 slides. Excellent. I want them 8. Okay, so now you know how to import the file. Okay, I would recommend you save. Every now and then you save. On slide 1, this is slide 1. This is slide 1. Enter your name after the text overview presented by. Okay. Okay. Overview presented by, and put your name. So, as expected, I wrote my name on the first slide. Okay. Use a master slide. Remember, in word processing, we used to use headers and footers. Here we have a more powerful tool that is called master slide. When you go into the master slide and use it properly, I will tell you now how to use it properly. You will put things that appear on every slide. It is like creating a design or a theme for your presentation. Here they are asking, use a master slide. I will show you now how to use the master slide. To display the following feature, automatic slide number in the top right. So we will number slides and put those numbers in the top right. Your name, center number, candidate number, where? Not mentioned. Okay. We will find somewhere and put our name, center number, candidate number. Make sure master slide items appear in the same position on every slide. I will tell you how to use the master slide properly. There is no overlap. Yeah, Cambridge, do not allow for any overlap. Okay, let me now teach you. We will go into the master slide, and there is one option I would warn you about to use the master slide properly, and then put the slide number in the top right, and maybe put my name in the bottom left, maybe. And that's it. Very simple design in the master slide. Okay, when the exam says master slide, we do this. We go to view, and this button is called slide master. We go to view and then slide master. But please take care. So view, slide master. Let us think of this. There are so many master slides. Which one to use? My advice is use that upper, bigger one. Use this. This is the master. This is the parent of all the masters. Actually, this is the master slide of some layouts, and this is the master of other layouts. This is the master of all layouts. In short, just use this very big master to ensure your design appears on all slides regardless of their layout. Okay, so this is what I call the master slide. This is the real master. I would like to put automatic slide number in the top right. I would like, for example, put slide number here. But before you put slide number here, first you put a text box. And it is just a text box, not a label, without the complexity of database or access. Just a text box. Okay, please do as follows. Insert text box. This is text box. Draw a text box here. And before anything, again, insert slide number like this. So insert text box and draw the text box in the required position, and immediately, without touching anything, insert slide number. And that hash will be slide number. If you touch anything else and click somewhere away, maybe you will face errors. Okay, so again, insert text box, draw it the way you wish, and then insert slide number, and this will be the slide number. Okay, what else? We need to put our name, center number, candidate number somewhere, probably in the footer. These text boxes, they don't work. They need some special commands to work, but they don't work. I just get rid of them. Highlight, I just highlight and click on button delete. I just get rid of them. I highlight and click on button delete. And I draw my own text box. Insert text box, and I draw a text box here. Why? To put here my candidate details. This is name, EG 0070001. Okay, now I am done with the master slide. Now I am done with the master slide. Okay. خلاص. Let us get outside the master slide and go to normal slides and check what we did. This is slide master and close slide master. I would like to get out of slide master. So this is slide master and close slide master. As you can see, this is slide number 1, and this slide number 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is your name at the bottom of every slide, and no overlapping. Actually, these boxes should not overlap. The exam is asking you not to do any overlapping with slide numbers and your candidate details. There should be no overlap between those texts. Okay. Okay, let's go on. Let's go on. We now did the master slide. Delete the slide with the title, History of Triathlons. Where is this? This is actually Access. I don't need it. History of, yeah, history of triathlon. Just click on the button delete, or right click, delete. So it is gone. Okay? Just remember to save every now and then. Now we go to something different. Use data in the file J2121 paratech.csv to create a pie chart. Now the exam is asking me to create a pie chart. And I am provided with a data file. I will double click that data file. It will open in Excel. Okay, let us do a bit of Excel. We will create a pie chart to compare participation by age group for triathlon only, and then for maths, and eventually copy and paste that chart in the PowerPoint. Okay, so now we are not doing a presentation. We are creating a graph. Okay, let's go ahead. Use the data J2121 partake. Let us find this file. J2121. Yeah, this file. Double click. It opens in Excel. Maybe we are doing Excel for the first time. Okay, let us get introduced to. When you open Excel, you need to make columns wider. I go into here between A and B and double click, and go into here and double click and double click and double click. I call this auto fit. So I would like to create a pie chart. Okay. But first, I need to select the required data. Selecting the required data requires some attention. Compare participation by age group for triathlon only. Yeah, this. I would like to create a pie chart for this. And then give it that title and put percentage. Okay, okay. Highlight this. Highlight this triathlon. Insert. And this is a pie chart. And this is the simplest pie chart. Okay. Okay. This is a pie chart. Easy. Highlight this data and insert and use a pie chart. Don't use 3-dimensional or anything, just a plain pie chart. Okay, now we have the chart. Easy. Label the chart title with the title this one. Okay, please copy this into here, the title. This should be the title. Copy it using keyboard. Triathlon registrations by age. Format the chart to display only percentages and age groups as sector labels. These are sectors. I would like to put sector labels around these. If you want to put some labels and some data, please learn that if you click here, that plus will allow you to add chart elements. I would like to have data labels. But this is not the data labels I wish. Okay, okay. Click on that arrow and go to more options. It is displaying the values. Please display the percentage and remove the value and put, so here are the percentages. Here you can see the percentages. And I remove the value. And category name, actually, please, I would like to, actually the chart is not going the way I wish. Actually, the chart is not going the way I wish. I will delete. The chart is not going the way I wish. Okay. I must highlight titles and then control and highlight the data. I cannot live without highlighting the titles. I cannot. Okay, so please start all over again. Highlight the titles, control, highlight triathlon, insert chart, a normal chart. Let the title be the title required. Let the title be triathlon registrations by age. Okay. Format the chart to display only percentage and age group. I click on that plus. I put data labels. I go to that arrow and more options. I would like to have the percentage. I don't like to have the value. I like to have the category name. Now the category name is showing the age group. I should have highlighted the age group from the beginning. I discovered this when I ticked category name and I found that it is not displaying the age group. So I should highlight the age group together with the date. I would rather use outside end. And if you like to move anything, it's up to you. To make sure no overlap. Okay? Format the chart to display percentage and age group as sector label. Position these label outside each sector. That's why I used outside end. And then I can move not to have, do not display a legend. This is called a legend. I don't want it because age groups are now written as labels. So please click on this, remove the legend. Click on this, remove the legend. What else? Emphasize the age group with the largest percentage by pulling only this sector away from other age groups. This is the largest sector. I would like to emphasize it. I would like to pull it out. Click on it once. Click on it again. So it is only this sector that is highlighted, and drag it and pull it a little bit away. Now it is emphasized. Okay, I'm done with the chart. What is left? I need to copy and put it somewhere on the chart, on the presentation, and play with some sound. Let us finish everything. Place the chart on the left of the bullets on the slide with the title Market Analysis. Market Analysis. Where is it? Yeah, this is slide number 2. I would like to put the chart to the left of bullets, but there is no enough room. Okay, I click on this. Move that box to the right so I can have enough empty space here. Highlight the chart and click here on copy. Go to the presentation and click on paste. Remove any overlap. You may wish to make the chart a bit bigger, but make sure there is no overlap. Every now and then, save your work. Make sure the all data is fully visible with no overlap. Excellent. What is left? Apply the sound. let us put some sound file into our presentation. Apply the sound file J2121 cheer.wave to the slide with the title Iron Man. Okay, where is that? Yeah, the last one. Go to the last one. I would like to insert audio to the last one. Okay, insert audio from my PC. Audio on my PC. Okay. Yeah, this is the file. 21 June paper 2020 cheers. Okay. Let us play with it. See or listen. Yes. Okay. So the sound plays automatically as the slide appears. The sound plays automatically. Here, start automatically. Start automatically. Okay, now it is time for a screenshot evidence because sound will never be printed. So the exam can only reward you by seeing a screenshot of the settings. Place in your evidence document screenshots. It may be one or more. To show the sound is set to play automatically as the slide appears. Okay, show this. Show this. Okay, this is snipping tool and new. I will take a picture of this and that. This is evidence number 9. Remember the evidence file, and this is evidence number 9. So the exam can see starts automatically, and this is the file. Okay, you will be rewarded. The last thing, save the presentation. Okay, save. Print slides 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. Don't print the whole presentation. Only print slides number 1, 2, 3, and 4. As handouts, 2 slides to the page. Let us do the print settings. There are some print settings. So print. That's why we need to practice printing. Even if we don't have a printer, we can practice printing to PDF. Okay, so I will print slides 1 to 4. I will not print everything. Also, I will print them instead of full page slide. I will print them as handouts, 2 slides to the page. So this will be slide 1 and 2, and here slide 3 and 4. Excellent. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but print to PDF because I don't have a printer. Print to PDF and print. And this going to be, but please go to 21 June, paper 21, and this will be print out number 6. Okay, print out number 6. Okay, printed. Don't forget to print the evidence. And this will be print out number 7. Okay, this is the evidence with everything properly inserted. So save, also print. And this will be print out number 7. And now we are done with the presentation and we are done with the complete exam.